Hello there, my name is Kajal Bhatia and I head the pre-primary department at Thakur School of Global Education. They are called as the Wonder Years, the littlest of all, head from nursery to grade 2. Cambridge curriculum has a lot of features for all the children. It's a holistic program for all the learners. So even if there's a child who is not at par for the grade level, we even inculcate such children with differentiated learning abilities, worksheets for them, and especially in the Wonder Years, everything is hands-on learning. We have a lot of dance, a lot of storytelling activities, a lot of read alouds, various jam sessions, physical education, sports and games, gymnastics, physical abilities are all considered, and they can shine in all the aspects there as well for the holistic development. With the Cambridge learning program, we also have Montessori, and with the Cambridge program it isn't a rigid system. It isn't an open program where you have a lot of learning that happens there, hands-on learning. We have activities planned for the children in such a way that it isn't a rote system. They learn, they have experiential learning, they have lots of field trips which also involve a lot of learning. So overall, the children don't feel burdened when they come with the Cambridge curriculum. So there's not one channel of communication, there are various channels of communication. Email, parent groups on the social media. We also have Google Classrooms where all the circulars and notices go on. We have a lot of preparations that happen during the entire school year. Free sample papers that are given to the children for a lot of practice, or learners who find it difficult to catch up, there are support classes for such learners. This is a lot of passion that's brought in by the teachers at Thakur School of Global Education School. On whole, the entire community at Thakur School of Global Education works towards the betterment of the child.